We've got Nike's new innovation and technology with a twist. The Nike React Element 87. What's up, guys? Fresco VK here again, live at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. Please feel free to pull up. So we have a live unboxing look today at a shoe that released overseas, but it's set to release in North America this coming weekend. So we have the Nike React Element 87. So this has been one of Nike's most sought after newer silhouettes. So this is not a retro, it's a brand new shoe released to you and brought to you in 2018. But we're gonna unbox it live here at Stadium. So we have two colorways. The first colorway is the black anthracite that I'm about to unbox here, and let me know which one is you guys' favorite out of the two. So we have here the black anthracite colorway. So if you guys can look at the upper, it's almost fully translucent throughout the entire upper. And if you guys have been paying attention to footwear lately, these remind me of the Nike Zoom Flies. The Zoom Fly recently released, I want to say last year in 2017, and this one's brought to you in 2018. So as I said, translucent upper throughout the top. We have the black swoosh right here. We have the white foam in the midsole, also with drilled holes on the side. So this shoe, performance base, is pretty much based around like shifting your body weight, or if you're standing all day, or even for walking, and some light sprinting. But this essentially is not a full-on running shoe. It's more built for everyday lifestyle, moving around. So on the inner panel, it's a TPE yarn textile overlay, so it's really lightweight. We have the swoosh here right in the toe box area. If you guys take a look at the laces, these are trail laces, so they are black and gray. We have the 3M hits throughout the lace area that you guys can see, also with a suede overlay on the upper area of the lace, and then we have what feels like a leather overlay towards the bottom. And if you guys take a look at the insole here, features a cork insole. So as I mentioned, the cork right there on the inside. We have the pull tab right here, which features the 3M. We have the black swoosh also right there on the back tab. And this is the black anthracite colorway of the Nike React Element 87. And we're gonna transition into, which is my favorite out of the group, the sail light bone colorway. So let's get to that. We just talked about the black anthracite colorway in the Nike React Element 87. And we're gonna transfer over to the light bone and sail colorway. So this is my favorite out of the group. So I want you guys to let me know in the comments which one is your favorite out of the two. But we have the sail and bone throughout the entire upper, along with the translucence on the outer panel. The light bone color runs through the middle here and slightly above the midsole, outsole, as you guys can see. This one features the white laces with the gray hit. Once again, the 3M also in the lace area. And as we get to the tongue, you guys can see the Nike React that we have right there. There's also another Nike logo that's also featured on the tongue right there. This one features a red hit amongst the stitching on the back tab that you guys can see here, and also on the inner panel of the back tab. With the red hit and the stitching, white pull tab with the silver 3M, and unlike the midsole, outsole on the black anthracite pair, this one also features the white, but it has the clear drillings on the outsole that you guys can see here. And let's get to the actual outsole. So once again, you see the clear hits throughout here, along with the white, and then the clear hits towards the heel that we have here. And as you guys can see, this foam is really soft to the touch. So as I said before, it's not necessarily built for full-on running, more for standing, walking. If you're out all day just shifting your body weight, this shoe is perfect for that. And aesthetically, it's super, super pleasing to the eye. I actually really like this one. But one last look at the Nike React Element 87. And please, you guys, let me know out of these two, which is your favorite. I'm surely leaning towards these. So we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. Please feel free to pull up. Please download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and Android. visit us on our website, stadiumgoods.com, for any questions or inquiries that you guys may have. Like and share all of our videos on YouTube and on Facebook because I'm in them. And last but not least, follow us on all social media platforms at Stadium Goods everywhere. I am Fresco BK and salud.